So, hello. I've had this Wingsland S6 drone for about 2 years. I paid $100 for this drone. I think it was $99 on Amazon. So this is a great little drone. I mean, I flew it twice, all twice, and it has fold-out wings, and the propellers are really funky, as you can see. And the downside of this drone is the battery. So you load the battery into the back of the drone, as you can see right here. The battery goes in the back. And so the downside of this drone is this battery. And try and buy these on eBay. They're like $58, $60. The Wingsland site sells these for $19 or something, but they're not in stock. Anyway, so I thought, well, what can I do if I take this battery apart? So I took it apart. And this is what's inside of it. They have two 3.6 batteries that are in series to make 7.6 volts. I'm sorry, these are like 3.7 volts, I think. So these are in series. There is a marking or a number. It looks like a serial number on these light bulb batteries. And then they go into a circuit board here, as you can see. And it looks like they only use half of this connector. So I think 2 pins on top and 2 pins on bottom using the charge. The other side isn't used at all, at least not for charging it. So this thing is, in essence, 2 batteries, 2 3.6s that are taped together in series, 1400 milliamps, I suppose. So I was trying to find then these on Alibaba to see if I could find 2 of these and solder them back in. And so this thing is it's pretty primitive. There's no special electronics in here at all or anything that's fancy. And there's no light on here or anything like I thought at one time. So I'll probably try to repair this thing. I did get a hit on this number here, this GRPZJB number. There was some eBay site in Italy that was selling this thing. That's about it. So anyway, this again is the inside of a Wingsland S9 battery. And I guess I'm going to try and fix it with some new LiPo cells. Okay, thanks for watching. And again, this is all about the battery for the Wingsland S6 drone, which I guess fell out of favor because the battery is so bad. Okay, thanks for watching. Have a great day.